In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change LinkedIn password 2025 on Android and iOS. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the LinkedIn app and how to safely update your password without any confusion. This walkthrough works the same way on both Android and iPhone, and the wording may look slightly different depending on your app version, but the steps are identical. Start by opening the LinkedIn app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your account settings. If you see your feed, you're good to go. Next, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. This is the small circle with your photo or initials. Tapping it opens LinkedIn's main menu, where you'll find all the controls for your account and preferences. From that menu, scroll down and select Settings. This is where LinkedIn groups everything related to your account privacy and app preferences. We'll use it to reach the password options. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Sign In and Security. Tap that to open your login and security details. This area is specifically designed for things like passwords and sign-in methods, so you're in the right place. Now, choose Change Password. This will bring up the fields you need to update your credentials. You'll see 3 entries to fill in. First, type your current password. This confirms you're the account owner and prevents unauthorized changes. Then enter your new password. For the best security, create a strong one that's unique to LinkedIn, using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Finally, re-enter the new password to confirm it matches exactly. Take a moment to double check for typos or extra spaces. Passwords are case sensitive and both new entries must be identical to proceed. When everything looks correct, tap Save Password to finalize the change. The app will process your update right away. If the new and confirmed passwords don't match, or if the current password is incorrect, you'll see an error. Simply correct the field and try again. Once saved, your LinkedIn password is updated immediately across your account. You might be prompted to sign in again on other devices, which is normal and helps keep your account secure. If you use a password manager, remember to update the entry there so you don't lose access later. That's all it takes. Your LinkedIn password is now successfully updated on both Android and iOS devices. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more LinkedIn tips and tutorials.